3 years ago, this space was bare, silent, and waiting. With time, patience, and love, it has transformed into a sanctuary of colors, textures, and life. Welcome to my garden.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to share a story of my garden. Well, every garden have a story, isn't it? And the garden that what you see today, it was not like that 3 years ago. When I moved into this house, I could not believe the weeds. There were weeds all over, and the weeds were not little. They were of my height, all dried, and they were so thick that I was not able to pass through to the entrance gate, and so have to take a different route, and I somehow managed to enter into the house. And I was thinking, okay, what should I do to make this garden beautiful again? Because when I saw the pictures of the garden on the advertisement, it was beautiful, and I was always attracted to beautiful gardens. So I thought, oh, this is perfect. And was thinking, well, I will go there and the garden would be ready, it would be beautiful, but it wasn't. So I was thinking that I need to make a plan. So when the fall came, I started with the grass, and so first of all, I cut all the weeds. Naomi, my daughter, helped me a lot. So there was the piles and piles and piles, never ending. Anyway, we cleaned this area first, the lawn, and then in October, end of October, before the snow started, I spread the seeds all around in this area. And in March, April, when snow started melting, so the grass started to sprouting. But it was not right away. It took a lot of time. It took at least 2 years to make this green again. And here there was nothing. There was a deer coming and sitting here trying to find a food. I think they were used to of eating apples, but there were no apples. Poor thing. I feel so bad for them. And so I started planting. First, put some flower seeds, and then keep adding shrubs into it. So every year I started adding few things into the garden, and it somewhat started looking beautiful to me. And this is a work in progress, it is not done yet. Today I will show you what are the things that I have added into the garden.
These geraniums were started with seeds indoors, and the theme was Canada Day. These eggplants as well started with seeds, and they're doing very well. And made a video a few days ago about how to prune to keep your eggplants healthy. And so, from bare earth to a sanctuary of life, this is the story of my garden. Thank you for walking with me.